screen recording. And I am hello, this is coding enthusiast, and this is assignment number 4 of artificial intelligence, and I am going one by one for each question. So this is question number first. Consider the influence graph shown below. It depicts a closed system. Do not impose any more condition from nature on this graph. Keep it simple. So here are the given 7 options, and what we have to do, find the relationship between grass and lion. So we can see in the given figure that the grass and the lion are, here is the lion and the grass, which are not directly influenced, so I have ticked the option. Grass has indirect influence on lion. Similarly, bacteria has a direct influence on fungi. You can see here bacteria and fungi are directly influencing each other. Similarly, hawk has direct influence on fungi. Hawk has direct influence on fungi. So these 3 are the correct option, and the last one is not incorrect, because there is at least one node in the graph that is not directly or indirectly influenced by anyone. There is no such node. So in the question number 2, it's actually the question number 2, you can find the answer in the link 2. If you go to the link 2 and watch the video carefully, you can listen that this fitness percent type graph is based on is generated from a small population, and you can see the other option also explained there by the author. So this first, second, third, fourth are the right answer for the question number 2. And this is the question number 3. This is the virtual creature, and what we have to answer is that the virtual creature have evolved to jump, have evolved to walk, have evolved to swim are the correct answer. You can find these answer in the, as here it is shown, the following article are from the first web resource listed in the previous question. This is the first web resource. When you go to this resource first, you can find the answer that the web virtual creature have evolved to jump, to walk, to swim. The idea of using population based method to solve optimization problem is to, according to me, the one right is to exploit the diversity in a population of candidate and try mixing up the candidate solution using population based method. Okay, the D option is correct, and the 5 option B, C, D are correct. Similarly, in the 6th, genetic algorithm work best when there is a large population of diverse candidates. And the 7th, Darwin theory of natural selection can be seen as a process to design life form that evolve and improve over generation is the correct option. And the 4th number, the process where members of a population compete for survival. Yes, that is 3rd and 4th are the right option for question number 7. And for which this is a quote given by the Paul Valery in question number 8. So it takes 2 to invent anything. The one makes up the combination and the other chooses. This is the right answer. The single point crossover can be used to solve the TSP problem if the representation is ordinal representation. You can, if you give the lecture material, that is the PDF given in the NPTEL, you can find this answer clearly. Ordinal representation in the answer. Conway's game of life is a cellular automation. And in the 11th number, it is also given in the PDF that the most complex object in the known universe is the human brain. What is the role an individual ant play in an ant colony algorithm? It constructs a candidate solution using a greedy stochastic search approach. That is what the ant colony algorithm works, and every ant construct a candidate solution using a greedy stochastic approach. And there are 3 questions which are based on this graph, and I have implemented it and do the rough work in the copy. So I just show you the answer. That for the question number 13, the path representation are B, D, E, F. Similarly, for the question number 14, the adjacency representation are option number C and D. The question number 15, which is actually the which is actually based on question number 13. On the path representation, we have to find the ordinal representation. Option B, C, D are the correct option. And for question number 16, you have to fill it, and when you solve for the for finding the childs from P1 and P2 using partial mapped crossover, you can find that this is the correct answer. And similarly, by using order crossover between P1 and P2, when you solve for P1 and P2 using order crossover to find the child, one of the child is this. And for cycle crossover for P1 and P2, when you find the child for P1 and P2, one of the child is this. And in the 19th number option, we have to compute the ordinal representation of the parent dot, and then after that we have to use the single point midpoint crossover to generate offspring, and this is the correct answer. Here is clearly written that we have to use ordinal representation, that is in the numeric value. And in the question number, last question, taking the answer from the previous question, convert the offspring from ordinal representation to path representation. This is actually based on the previous question. We converted this numeric value into solution. This is the correct answer. So these are all over, and I hope you will like this answer. If you find any doubt or any query related to any answer, you can comment. You can share in the comment section below, and please like my channel, like this video, and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt or if you want to improve any answer, give comment below so I can interact with you. It's good to be always improving. Okay, so bye.